Welcome back. Now we are going to insert an object into our document. In this tutorial, we are going to just drag and drop an image into the document, and then we will see how we can adjust and resize it to our requirement. So to do that, just open the folder Resources. You can find a link for the resources file in the description. If you want to follow along with my resources, you can use that link. Otherwise, you can use your own images and follow along. To just start, just drag and drop the background into the document. Once you leave it on the document, you can see a diagonal line with a box. That means it's currently not in place yet. You have to adjust it and place it by pressing Enter key or double click in the mouse. So before we place it in our document, we want to resize it. So one thing that you have to keep in mind when you resize is that you don't want to lose the proportion, or you don't want to, if you resize it like this, it will stretch and lose the proportion. So it's always good to press and hold Shift key while you resize your image, so that it will keep the proportion and it won't get stretched. Once you are done with the resizing, you can press Enter. You can press Enter key, or you can double click the mouse. Now that it is in the place, now also if you want, you can drag it and adjust the view as you wish. So that is basically how you import and adjust the image into your document. In the next video, we are going to talk about the layers panel. Hope to see you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum.